Welcome back to our channel, where we help entrepreneurs and small business owners navigate the exciting world of starting and growing a business. In today's video, we'll be discussing why starting a limited liability company, LLC, is a great option for aspiring entrepreneurs, particularly in Kentucky. We'll also provide you with a detailed, step-by-step guide on how to start an LLC and obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, in the state of Kentucky. So let's get started. Kentucky is a fantastic state to start a business. With a vibrant economy, a supportive business environment, and a thriving entrepreneurial spirit, it's no wonder many individuals choose to launch their ventures here. One of the first decisions you'll face as a business owner is choosing the right legal structure for your company. And that's where the LLC comes in. An LLC provides a flexible and favorable framework for small businesses. Here are a few reasons why you should consider starting an LLC in Kentucky. 1. Personal asset protection. By forming an LLC, you separate your personal assets from your business's liabilities. This means that if your business faces financial difficulties or legal issues, your personal assets, such as your home or savings, are protected. 2. Limited liability. The name says it all. As the owner of an LLC, your personal liability is limited. This means you are not personally responsible for the debts or legal obligations of your company. 3. Flexible taxation. LLCs offer a flexible tax structure. By default, a single-member LLC is treated as a disregarded entity for tax purposes, while multi-member LLCs can choose between partnership or corporation taxation. Consult with a tax professional to determine the best option for your specific circumstances. 4. Simplicity and flexibility. LLCs have fewer formalities compared to other business entities like corporations. They offer flexibility in management, allowing you to run your business in a way that suits your needs. Now that you understand the benefits of starting an LLC, let's dive into the step-by-step process of setting up your LLC in Kentucky and obtaining an EIN. Step 1. Choose a name. The first step is to choose a unique and distinguishable name for your LLC. Make sure it complies with Kentucky's naming requirements and is not already in use by another business. You can check the availability of your desired name through the Kentucky Secretary of State's website. Step 2. File Articles of Organization. To officially form your LLC, you'll need to file the Articles of Organization with the Kentucky Secretary of State. This document contains essential information about your business, such as its name, address, and the names of its members. You can file online or by mail, following the instructions provided on the Secretary of State's website. Step 3. Appoint a registered agent. Kentucky requires LLCs to have a registered agent. A registered agent is an individual or business entity responsible for accepting legal documents on behalf of your company. You can choose to be your own registered agent or hire a professional registered agent service. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. While not legally required, it's highly recommended to create an operating agreement for your LLC. This document outlines the rights, responsibilities, and ownership structure of your company. It helps prevent disputes among members and provides clarity on how your LLC will operate. Step 5. Obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN. An EIN is a unique 9-digit number issued by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, to identify your business for tax purposes. To obtain an EIN, you can follow these steps. Visit the IRS website. Go to the official website of the IRS and navigate to the Apply for an EIN section. Determine your eligibility. Ensure that you meet the requirements for obtaining an EIN. Most businesses are eligible, including LLCs. Complete the online application. Fill out the online application form. You'll need to provide information about your LLC, such as its legal name, address, and the name and Social Security number, SSN, or Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN, of the responsible party. Review and submit your application. Double-check all the information you've entered and submit your application. The IRS will instantly assign you an EIN upon successful completion. Download and save your EIN confirmation. Once you receive your EIN, make sure to download and save the confirmation document. You'll need it for various purposes, including opening a bank account and filing taxes. Step 6. Comply with Kentucky tax and regulatory requirements. After obtaining your EIN, there are a few additional steps to ensure you comply with Kentucky's tax and regulatory requirements. State business licenses. Depending on the nature of your business, you may need to obtain specific state licenses or permits. Visit the Kentucky Business One-Stop Portal for comprehensive information on licenses and permits applicable to your industry. Kentucky Department of Revenue. Register with the Kentucky Department of Revenue for state tax purposes. This includes sales tax, payroll tax, and other applicable taxes. Consult with a tax professional to understand your specific tax obligations. Annual reports. Kentucky requires LLCs to file an annual report with the Secretary of State. This report provides updated information about your LLC and is typically due on a specific date each year. Failure to file the report may result in penalties or loss of good standing. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on why you should start an LLC in Kentucky and how to obtain an EIN. Remember, starting an LLC provides personal asset protection, limited liability, and flexibility in taxation and management. By following the steps we've outlined, you'll be well on your way to establishing your business successfully. We hope you found this video helpful. Best of luck with your LLC journey in Kentucky. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.